Yes, family, Bomani Timba live on Revolutionary Cam. We're here at Ghana Permaculture Institute, and we're gonna give you a nice connection into how you can use the land without destroying the land. Because what it is, it's about sustainability, it's about nation building, it's about not killing a beautiful, wonderful green planet. So you see here, family, you're looking at what you consider a manufacturing plant. So we're going to get you some full details on how things are manufactured and processed. Right, and let's connect with our guide. My brother, can you give us, who's going to be our host? I'm looking for our host. My brother Prince, can you give a good introduction and get everybody's attention? Go! All right, family, we have our welcome host here. I'm sure everybody got a lot of questions about this wonderful institute. Can you introduce yourself and then give us an overview of what's going on at the Ghana Permaculture Institute?
Okay. My name is Adiko Prince, and here is Ghana Permaculture Institute, like the second site for Permaculture Institute. And here we process the moringa powder and the seeds. We also have mushroom cultivation farm over there. We do ICT training too, and then wedding cards, invitation, photograph, and video cameras over here.
Right. And can you talk a little louder so everybody can hear you?
My name is Adiko Prince.
All right, fine. If everybody can get close and be quiet so our host can give us a proper introduction.
And here is Ghana Permaculture, the second site for Permaculture. And here you process the moringa, the fresh powder leaves, and then the fresh leaf for tea bags. We also produce the seeds. We also have the mushroom farm over there, and then we do ICT training, and then photocopy, video coverage, and then others.
So, what's perma?
What's perma?
Yeah. I understand culture, but what's the perma?
The perma means when something is permanent, something that does not die easily. That it can stay for 1 year or it's exist for 1 year approach.
So relative to sustainable.
Yeah, that's sustainable. Yes. Keep on
taking care of itself.
Yes.
Tell us how it differs from a regular farm. So instead of just growing corn, how does it differ from just having fields of corn and having permaculture?
Okay, like under permaculture, I can say that for other farmers, they can apply maybe fertilizer and then they are just in their maize farm. But when it comes to permaculture, we don't apply fertilizer. We have the neem fertilizer and then moringa seed fertilizer that we apply under permaculture. But the maize farm, we apply the fertilizer to the maize. So that is the difference.
So isn't it like a system as well? Permaculture is a system where like the chicken, like if you have an acre, a quarter of an acre, you'll have your chickens to fertilize the area and then move them and grow the food. So it's a system, it's a traditional system that you used to have, right?
Is that what you call chicken tractor? That system is that what you chicken tractor?
Oh, okay. But that's a part of permaculture where the animals fertilize your land. You don't use. And then you'll rotate
from one angle to different angle.
Right.
Yes.
What about the medical ways that you can use moringa? I noticed that they didn't have the seeds are very long and fat. What is the medicinal purposes for the tree? There's different medicinal purposes for the tree.
For the moringa tree. I can say that yes, the tree I have, because the seeds have the disease that you can cure, and the leaves also have
the leaves are for the teas, and then the seeds, the long seeds are for
moringa.
you know.
The seeds. That's what I'm saying. That the seed have.
Can you show them maybe
Okay, yes,
how
I
it
have.
looks?
Yeah.
Because that is it's the seed inside.
There's medicine, like this is medicine too.
Medicine?
The seeds have the disease. It can cure it. The powder.
Do you need to roast it or can you just
No,
eat
you just
it?
eat it like that. You can just open it
Can I
out.
try this?
Yes, yes.
Let me show you.
But I have to remove this.
So yeah. So like if you put this into your water, or if you take one and then swallow water, it will be sweet. Like maybe he can try it. If you eat it and then drink water, and it will give you. It's like the sugar.
It's like a tea. It sweetens your tea too.
Yeah.
If you boil the leaves and
And
make
the seeds, if you
dip that one in and sweet tea. You have the whole tree sweet tea for it. It's good for it.
it doesn't. Well, I don't know whether it's good. Yeah.
If you in the Florida area, tropical area, you can try to grow it.
I was gonna say.
Feel it. Tart taste. Very good.
Was that almost like a nut? Yeah.
Excellent. You're enjoying your seeds. How does it taste? Like paradise?
Yes, it does. It has. Yes, I opened it up and then
Take it and then take some water.
yeah.
Then taste it.
It's like you've done it.
Yeah, it had a little tart taste in the beginning, but when I drink the water, it just sweetens up.
Yeah. It comes, even if you don't drink the water,
It tastes like that.
And I drop it in my water.
Yeah.
Like around
You
with
know,
me.
in other countries, they'll use it to purify their water.
see, that's what I'm telling you.
So I can drop it in here. I'm gonna drop some in here. About how many?
Like two.
Two?
I think you can overdose on it too.
Wow, that's what's up.
Well, I have my chief, he does 3 a day.
I'll start off with two.
Be like a laxative.
I'll start off with one.
When the food is ready to eat, then you add 1 teaspoon to either porridge, soup, anything. In the stew, you can add it.
Interesting. We have it in Jamaica. We have this in Jamaica, so I've had it before. And I've never had it before.
Excellent. So learn try new things. Learn new things. Isn't that
It's spread, it's shaped like a triangle. And
come to the motherland and learn wonderful things.
Yes. And you grow this at your house too.
So family, the journey of a lifetime continues. See you in the motherland this year, next year, or many years to come. Reconnect to the motherland, the nation building.
Have some.